Red worms have a structure named as with help them in grinding their food. Gizzard. Prolific Indian painter Maqbul Fida Hussain predominantly used which of these animals to depict a lively and free spirit in his paintings? Horses. Sultan Qaboos bin Sayyid of Dash, the Arab world's longest serving ruler and with a reputation for quiet diplomacy, passed away recently 2020. Oman. Which of these constitution fixes the repo rate and the reserve repo rate in India? RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Sir Thomas Roe come as an official ambassador from King James I of England to which Mughal empire's court? Jahangir. What is the more common name for solid carbon dioxide? Dry gas. As on January 2023, Bhupesh Baghel is the Chief Minister of which of the following state? Chhattisgarh. Name the media company that purchased the legendary studio of 21st Century Fox. Disney. Who among the following played the leading lady in the film Mission Mangal that tells the dramatic true story of the woman behind India's first mission to Mars? Vidya Balan. For which of the following sports was Dronavali Harika conferred with the prestigious Padma Shri Award? Chess. From India, who inaugurated the Kartarpur corridor and flagged off the first set of the pilgrims to the final resting the place of Sikhism founder Guru Nanak Dev? Narendra Modi. Who is the first and currently the only batsman to score the double hundred in 4 consecutive Test series? Virat Kohli. The ruins of the ancient city of Hampi, capital of Vijayanagar, is located in which present-day Indian states? Karnataka. In which year Sanchi was discovered after being abandoned for nearly 600 years? 1888. Kola, Thunandu, Valuwand and Tekumkur were ancient small-time kingdoms in which state of India? Kerala. What is the uniform GST rate that has been fixed up for lottery price by the GST Council? 28%. As of February 2020, who is the president of Sri Lanka? Gotabaya Rajapaksa. And Prime Minister Mahendra Rajapaksa. Which of the following books is not written by Salman Rushdie? An Area of Darkness. It means same book, An Area of Darkness. Same is written by Salman Rushdie. Midnight Children or Satanic Verse. Which of these bones is not a part of human ear? Femur. Femur is the bone of our thigh, which is from leg, which is in legs. The Araku Valley, a tourist resort, is located near which of these cities of South India? Visakhapatnam. Veteran freedom fighter, social reformer and feminist Savitri Bai Phule hailed from which of the following state of India? Maharashtra. Name the author who won the Sahitya Academy Award 2019 for his book An Era of Darkness, the British Empire in India? Shashi Tharoor. Which of these words refer to the scientific study of domestic dogs? Cynology. Name the physicist who is credited with the discovery of neutron. This 1932 discovered led to his winning the Nobel Prize. James Chadwick. The World Food Programme is the food assistance branch of the United Nations. Where is its headquarters? Rome. If the Thank you.